If you feel shy when looking at someone's eyes, look at their nose instead. People can't tell the difference. He knows you the way. He knows his own shadow, his own soul, his own life. Sometimes trusting a friend is the hardest thing to do. Who can become your enemy? Psychology says if you succeed in cheating someone, don't think that person is a fool. Realize that the person trusted you more than you deserve. Real men stay faithful. They don't have time to look for another woman because they are too busy looking for new ways to love their own. People who are funny or well liked. It takes a real man to realize that one woman is enough. Drinking alcohol during pregnancy can cause a child to have altered facial features, stunned growth, and cognitive or behavioral deficits known as fetal alcohol syndrome (FAS). A real man gives his lady the attention she deserves, gives her all his loves, calls her beautiful, and treats her like a queen. Just one small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. Opportunities don't happen, you create them. Love your family, work super hard, live your passion. It is never too late to be what you might have been. The very last person on your mind before you close your eyes at night is either the reason for your happiness or pain. Lucky is the man who is the first love of a woman, but luckier is the woman who is the last love of a man. When you have a dream, you have got to grab it and never let it. Nothing is impossible. There is nothing impossible today you will try. The bad news is time flies. Life has got all those twists and turns. Keep your face always toward the sunshine and shadows will all behind you.